Hola, bienvenidos. My name is Monica Buensuceso, and these are my kids. We've got Jason, Scarlett, and PJ, and they're going to help me cook today arroz con leche. So that is what we're going to be making today. And all right, arroz con leche is what we're going to make today. And I'm going to be looking at a recipe. So when I'm looking at the recipe I sent to all of you. Arroz con leche means rice pudding, and it's a very popular dish that a lot of Spanish-speaking countries recreated. You'll find other countries use different recipes, different ingredients to their recipe, and we're following the one that originated from Spain. So it's the traditional Spanish arroz con leche. Sometimes you'll find that some of the recipes have raisins, pasas in them, but we are making the one, if you notice, it says raisins are optional, pasas are optional. So we are going to make ours without raisins, but you are welcome to add them in. And you just have to add them at the very end, and I'll tell you when. So, okay. So this recipe supposedly it makes servings for about 4 to 6 people, and this is a dessert. So here is what we've got. So these are our ingredientes, our ingredients. So we've got arroz, gracias. So arroz, and then yes, we're gonna have huevos, eggs or huevos. Say huevos. Huevos. Gracias, chicos. Now it says, sorry, there's 3. We're gonna have 3 of them, and we just need the egg yolk. That's gonna be beat. So we take the huevos, but we really just need the egg yolk. So the yemas de huevos batidas. Okay. So the next ingredient is the butter. Let PJ also do it. Is the butter, and that's mantequilla, right? Repita, mantequilla.
Mantequilla.
All right, what's next?
Lemon.
All right. Ooh, limon. Now this one, we don't need the whole limon. We just need the rodajas de cáscara. So we just need just a little bits and pieces of it. So it's the slices of the lemon rind. So we'll show you how to do that. So don't worry. And then we've got the arroz. We said that. We've got, azúcar. All right. So what is azúcar? So what's azúcar?
Sugar.
Yes. So azúcar. Azúcar. All right. Okay. We're not going to cut the lemon yet, but we'll need this to cut the lemon. Then we've got gracias. We've got nutmeg. Nutmeg is a big one in Spanish. It's nuez moscada molida. Nuez moscada molida. I know it's a big word. So there you go. All right. And then we've got sal. What do you think sal is? Just a pinch. Un poquito de sal. We're gonna just need a pinch of salt. Salt.
Got leche.
Yes, leche. And then last, we've got some measuring stuff.
And then just this one.
And then last but not least,
Cinnamon rolls.
the cinnamon stick, which is called rama de canela. Repitan, rama de canela.
Rama de
Rama de canela. That's a long one, a rama, right? Or de canela. The cinnamon part. All right. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So the first part of the recipe says we're gonna put the milk, cinnamon stick, lemon rind strips, and salt into a large saucepan and slowly begin to roll. So instead of using this guy, because we're gonna just start beginning to boil, I said slowly begin to boil. So we're gonna turn on our saucepan, right? Yes, and we're going to put some milk. So how much milk do we need? 2 cups of milk. So 2 tazas de leche. So sure, here. Okay, so you hold this. And you're gonna we'll do una taza here. Always put it over because you don't want to spill, right? And then there's una taza. Right. Now that's right. Uno. Now let your brother do the other one. Pete, you want to hold this one? All right. Oops. Dos. Perfecto. 2 tazas. All right. We got 2 tazas de leche. All right. Then it says a stick of cinnamon. So we just need 1 stick.
Can I put it?
Well, we haven't let PJ Jason done it yet, so he's gonna grab una rama de canela. Wait,
Can I go out too?
I'm already open, folks. Can I borrow this las tijeras, por favor?
Go.
Ay. All right. So we only need una rama, right? Yep. Just throw it in there. Is it that cinnamon? All right, rama de canela. Then it says, what else does it say to do? Put the milk, the cinnamon stick, the lemon rind strips. Okay, so we just need 3 lemon rind strips. So all we need to do is scrape it three lemon rind strips. You could there's a few different ways of doing this, but we're just gonna do it this way. One, uno,
Did you just put the skin?
yeah, dos, and
Tres.
yes, I know. So there are other ways. We do take those out later. So you just need little strips. But I know some people might use a grater. Just a little bit of touch of lemon, and then the lemons come out later if you look at the recipes. That's all we need. All right. So then it says, and salt. Put in a large saucepan. So here's salt, but it says a pinch. So how do we do a pinch of salt? Why don't we
Put it in the cup.
Well, we don't need that much. We just need a little boop there, like that. Boop, there you go. Un poquito, right? That's all. Un poquito. Okay. All right. Now that's it. All right. So then it says that we're waiting for this to boil, and then once boiling, then we take out the lemon rind. So that's fine. And then we're gonna add the cinnamon sticks from the milk. Okay. So now we just gotta wait patiently. Yeah. Okay, muchachos, we are back, and it looks. I will show you. Thank you, Peter. I will show you what I'm looking at over here. Can you see? Oh, there it is. So it's boiling now. It is boiling. All right. Okay. So now that it's boiling and it smells yummy. Delicioso, sí. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take out the cinnamon stick, and the lemon rinds.
Yeah, what's that mean? Put them in here.
So, oh wait, no, that's the egg thing. I need another plate. Can you give me a plate? Por favor, because we have to put these somewhere. We want to take out the cinnamon stick and the lemon rinds, okay? Because that was just, it's not wasting when you're cooking. Right there.
The cinnamon.
Well, if you like it, you can eat it later. I mean, you could, add it. Okay, I know it's.
Or just eat the one that's not that hot.
Right. Okay. All right, muchachos. So I took out everything with a big spoon, and now it says stir in the rice and the egg yolks. Okay, so we're gonna add in the rice. Por favor, señor. All right, he added in the rice, and then the egg yolk. So just so everyone knows, we attempted to take out. We just put in the egg yolk, but one of the eggs broke. It's okay. We're learning. All right, go ahead. You want to pour this in?
I'm not really know.
All right. So we've got arroz and yema.
Oh, it smells so good.
All right. Now, what we're going to do is mix this. Now, okay, so we just stirred it, and now it says to reduce the heat. So, bájalo, 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 bájalo. So we've got it down to low, baja, 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 and I'm mixing a little bit. So it says to stir in the rice and the beaten egg yolks, reduce the heat, and allow for 12 to 15 minutes, ensuring that you stir the mixture constantly. So we're going to be mixing, and we're going to put on our timer. So Alexa, timer for 15 minutes. Perfecto. All right. So we're going to wait until Alexa tells us when it's time, and then we'll check on it. It says 12 to 15, más o menos, so if you only did 12 or 13, that's okay as well. You know what? Actually, I'm going to show everyone in case you can't see. Here is what it looks like so far.
Mom, can you put it back up so I'm mixing?
Yes, Carly Rain, gracias.
Make Alexa play it.
Okay, muchachos. It has not been 15 minutes, but we noticed that it's about 12 minutes, and it is looking, I will show you, it is looking ready. Mira, what do you guys think? See? Oh, no. Definitely, the rice definitely looks like it's soft and ready and cooked. So we're going to go ahead and continue. So the next part of our ingredients is once the rice has gone soft, you want to add the butter, mantequilla, and azúcar, sugar. So, sí, azúcar, and then mantequilla, por favor, señor. There we go. Azúcar y mantequilla. That's what we're adding the sugar, which is half a cup. Muy bien. Now we're going to mix this. So that's what we just did right now. So let's see. Yep, we added the azúcar, the mantequilla, and then this would be the moment after all of the butter melts. This would be when it's suggested to add the raisins. So if you like pasas, you like raisins, that is when you would add it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're mixing it all. Oh, Scarlett, ¿cómo está?
She's back in the
She's back. All right, muchachos. So now we are adding in
the butter.
Yes, you can mix. Jason is gonna mix. Scarlett, ¿qué pasa? Let your brother mix too. Gracias. We're just gonna kind of let this take over for a little bit. Don't give it some time.
It's my turn to mix.
Stop. While Jason's mixing, we're gonna hear the Arroz Con Leche song. Did you know it's a kid lullaby song, like a nursery rhyme kind of song? So you gotta hear it.
Put it on, Daddy.
Gracias, papi.
Arroz con leche me quiero casar con una señorita de San Nicolás que sepa coser, que sepa bordar, que sepa abrir la puerta para ir a jugar. Yo soy la viudita del barrio del Rey, me quiero casar y no sé con quién, con esta sí, con esta no, con esta señorita me caso yo.
Yay, that's a Spanish nursery rhyme. Isn't that cute? It's a cute kid song.
Yep, I said the no part.
Gracias con esta.
Hurting.
So it's called Arroz Con Leche song. And it's actually, it could be a fun game too you can play. It's kind of like a ring around the rosy type of game. If you ever look it up. It's fun. It's good. Vamos a ver. Delicioso. The song is perfect to wait for the butter to melt. Let's see. Ooh, it does look delicioso. I want to give it a few more minutes. We could taste it right now. You're right, but now that we added in the butter and the sugar, yes, I do think it's ready. I'm just gonna. Okay, muchachos. So I tried it, and the rice consistency was still a little hard. So I probably should have waited the 15 minutes, which I did not do. Remember? So my recommendation is I would wait the 15 minutes. I just put a cover on it. And I did put a tiny bit more milk in it, just, ooh, it's hot. Just for you guys to see what's going on. But I put a little bit of more milk in it, and I'm just kind of waiting. And only because of the rice was just a little hard. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm going to give it like 4 minutes, 4 minutes, and see if that gets it to the right consistency. Okay, muchachos, we are back, and it is time. It has cooked enough. So now we're gonna try it out. Ooh, delicioso, delicioso. I went ahead, since it was cooking a little more, and I put the canela back just because I thought, why not? I like the taste of cinnamon. So I put the cinnamon stick, la canela, back in for the few minutes as it was cooking. But now it looks ready. Yeah, the rice looks like it is cooked and it is ready to go. So the last thing we have to do, now remember, if you wanted to add pasas, you wanted to add the raisins, you go for it and you add the raisins. If this would be the moment, you add them in, half a cup, you mix them in. If not, then you just serve and stir. Now this looks hot, definitely coming right out of the oven. So what you want to do is when you put it in, right, then you put in a serving. And then what you want to do is this is where you add the nutmeg and you just sprinkle a little, un poquito. So you don't mix them. So it's going to look like that. Oh, a little nutmeg on top. And there you go. It's hot. So I would wait for it to cool down. It's hot though. This is hot. So I would wait a minute, especially if you're going to use a glass cup for muchachitos. But here you go. Arroz con leche. Nicely served there. And want to try it or not yet? It's hot. But looks delicioso. So buen provecho. Enjoy. And thanks for watching.
Buen suceso out.
Buen suceso out. Pause.